we'll move on now to accidents at work.
Yeah.
What can you tell us about those? How do they all work? What sort of injuries have you come across in your capacity as a solicitor working on these sorts of things?
Okay. But some of the more typical examples that we see are some of the more nasty accidents, so things like people working on scaffolding, working at heights and they fall off the scaffolding. Obviously those can result in some quite severe and nasty injuries, down to the more run-of-the-mill, I suppose, where people just trip walking through the office on something that may be in the walkway, or they fall down the stairs because somebody just mopped the stairs and hasn't put a sign up to say the stairs are wet, that kind of thing. People get run over by forklift trucks in the warehouse environment, and again that can be quite a nasty injury. All sorts of things.
Right.
But I mean, the basic rule is that if you have sustained an injury at work and it wasn't your fault and you think that your employer may be in some way liable, then that could constitute a claim for compensation.
And are there any key things that potential clients need to have done beforehand before they come to people such as ourselves in making an accident at work case?
Yeah, the main thing in a claim for an accident at work is that you've documented the accident and the injury, so there's a record of the fact that the accident actually happened. So if you do have an accident in the workplace, you need to report it to your employer and make sure that it's recorded in the accident book. Don't just assume because you have reported it to a supervisor or a manager that they will have written it in the accident book. So